Buffalo are large, herbivorous mammals known for their iconic humped shoulders and distinctive curved horns. They are often found in grasslands and wetlands, where they graze on vegetation and play a vital role in shaping their ecosystems. Domesticated buffaloes are valued for their milk and meat production, while wild buffaloes such as the African and American buffalo are celebrated as symbols of strength and resilience in their respective regions. Camel are remarkable desert-dwelling animals known for their incredible adaptations to arid environments. With their distinctive humps that store fat, they can endure long journeys without water. Their wide, padded feet help them traverse hot sand, making them invaluable companions for desert-dwelling humans and vital to the sustainability of many nomadic cultures. Kangaroo are marsupials native to Australia, known for their powerful hind legs, long tails, and distinctive hopping locomotion. They have a unique reproductive system, carrying and nursing their undeveloped young in a pouch. Kangaroos are iconic symbols of Australia and are adapted to thrive in diverse habitats, from arid deserts to lush forests. Dolphins are highly intelligent and social marine mammals, often characterized by their sleek, streamlined bodies and playful behavior. They use echolocation to navigate and communicate, emitting clicks and whistles to interact with their pod members and locate prey. Dolphins are revered for their captivating acrobatics and are a symbol of the beauty and wonder of the ocean world. Pigeon, also known as rock doves, are widespread and adaptable birds found in urban and rural environments across the globe. Known for their distinctive cooing sounds and remarkable homing abilities, they've been used for communication and message delivery throughout history. Their iridescent feathers and ability to thrive in diverse habitats make them a familiar and often overlooked part of city life. Dog, our loyal companions for thousands of years, are cherished for their unwavering loyalty, affectionate nature, and versatility. From playful puppies to faithful working dogs, they have adapted to various roles, including hunting, guarding, and assisting individuals with disabilities. Their diverse breeds showcase a vast range of sizes, appearances, and temperaments, making them beloved members of countless families worldwide. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to see more videos like this, turn on the notifications, and leave a like to help the channel grow. Thank you for watching.